Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I got the Test Tube Beauty Box for summer. This is the summer seasonal box and I did already record. Not all of it, but nothing recorded because the little kitten is here bothering me. So she has moved off, so hopefully everything will be okay. All right, so I have already cut this open. When you open it, this is what it looks like inside. Test Tube Beauty, there's their branded paper there as well. And this box is seasonal and you can buy it for $59 a box and that includes the shipping, or you could buy it for 1 year at $20.60 and that includes the shipping as well. So you save about $36 if you buy it by the year. And it started to be seasonal last summer, so now they've gone a full year. So before that it was bi-monthly, it was every other month. And it was actually in a test tube and then also a box if there was extra stuff. So when I opened it, this was in their Hello Summer. Beautiful picture. Who doesn't want to be there? Those colors are gorgeous. It says, here comes the sun, and right along with it, your summer test tube, which is jam-packed with all the products you need to shine bright from head to toe. And there is a little scan on it that you can scan for information, but I get all the information off the website because I use my phone to record, so I can't really scan it while I'm doing that. So this box is, it says powered by New Beauty. New Beauty is a beauty magazine and they come up with these products. They decide what's the best and what we should try. And they also send you the quarterly magazine that's in the bottom of this box. So when we open it, I'll start with what I've already started to open. The first thing that I saw was the Dionis brand goat milk body lotion. This is valued at $15 and I have all my paperwork right here. This is the Blue Ridge Wildflower Goat Milk Body Lotion. The standout in this formula is it's made from 100% goat milk, which is packed with natural proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. And it says, did you know goat milk has a similar pH to human skin? So it does work well on our skin. And I did smell it, y'all. It's called Blue Ridge Wildflower, and it's quite flowery. So it's not my favorite scent, but I have tried Dionis lotion several times. We've gotten, mostly I've gotten hand creams, you know, like a tube that you'd carry with you, and it's a wonderful cream. It's very, very nice, but this is a little too florally for me, so it might go in a future giveaway or a gift or something, because it's very, very nice. It's good stuff, I know that. And next I have this product, which I did damage the box trying to open it. This is called JAVY. I've not heard of that brand myself. It's an acne and control primer, and this is valued at $70. This weightless medicated primer works over time to reduce shine, blur pores, and treat and prevent breakouts. Wear it on its own for a silky finish or under makeup for smoother application and longer wear. Really cute tube. It says adult breakouts are different and their treatment should be too. So this is formulated for adults. And I can see in the tube, you know, the light coming through it, it's full. So that's a good size. It is 1.5 ounces. I love the coloring. I love the way that they design the tube. So that is that, $70, y'all. See, these products are products that the beauty community, that New Beauty shows in their magazine and, you know, wants us to learn about. So a lot of wonderful things in here. And everybody gets the same products. Now, I don't know if there's like a nail polish or if there's a lipstick, maybe we get different colors. That I'm not too sure about. But otherwise, we get all the same products. So let me see what else I've got. This next up is big. This is Clinisoothe Skin Purifier. And this is, let me find it on my paperwork here. This is $27.95 value. It says it's a first of its kind product in clean skin care. The highly stable, alcohol-free hydrating mist provides a high purity, hypochlorous acid solution that's great for everyday use on the face and body. The vegan-friendly formula balances skin's microbiome, protects skin from pollutants and impurities, prevents breakouts, and promotes rapid skin recovery from redness, irritation, acne, and more. It's great for all skin types, even the most sensitive skin. And it says use after cleansing and before applying skincare. So it looks, let's see. All right, is that gonna twist or? Well, okay, there it goes. Okay, it's that kind of a bottle. So you use a cotton ball or, you know, one of those little types of pads, you know, cotton pads or so would be good. I'm gonna tighten it real good. So that is that product, and that's valued at $27.95. And I'll take pictures of everything and show it on Instagram if you, you know, want to see it more up close. Next we have Mineral Fusion brand. This is a cuticle oil nail treatment. This is valued at $9.99. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and made with 99% naturally derived ingredients. This cuticle oil accelerates the drying time of freshly applied nail polish, protects from damage and chipping, and nourishes and hydrates nails and cuticles. So that's very nice. That's a nice big bottle for your nails. It has, you know, a nice, I don't know if you can see it. It has a brush, you know, like nail polish has. So very nice, very nice. They do say that the value of this box will be $350 and at least $350, and this box is worth $376. So next, let's see what's next we have here. This is pretty. Let me find this. EWC. EWC is the European Wax Center. EWC Treat is face and body this detoxifying mask, valued at $22.50. I like this coloring. All right, it's taped, so I'm going to leave it closed. Activated charcoal clarifying treatment. So again, something for oily skin, for young skin, not my skin. I could use it. I can use this, but I wouldn't use it often. Anyway, this actually, it says that it's a face and body detoxifying mask. So it said this mask is an excellent choice for those who are curious about how to get rid of ingrown hair bumps in between waxes. Okay, so that's what this is best for. Formulated with glycolic acid and salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and vitamin C, to clear pores and treat ingrowns and breakouts. This mask is gynecologist tested, dermatologist tested, and alcohol and fragrance free. So that's very, very nice. Okay, very nice if you do the waxing. Okay, and Face Reality is next. This is a sulfur spot treatment valued at $31. A gentle yet potent combination of 6% sulfur and an innovative peptide that provide a quick fix for angry blemishes. With its invisible application, the product allows you to spot treat on the sly. This is valued at $31. I don't know if I said that yet. Excuse me, my voice is just not working. And this is a nice tube, pretty little tube. I love the coloring on this packaging as well. Face Reality. Very nice, very nice. A lot of things that I'm not going to use myself. We also have, let me find this on here. Unite Hair Care. Unite Hair U Oil. This is an argan oil, and it is a spray. Is it a spray? Let me see. It is a multitasking argan oil that hydrates, adds shine, tames frizz and flyaways, and seals and protects all hair types and textures. It manages to quickly smooth, dry, and damage ends, and also reduces blow dry time. $49.50. It looks nice and thin. I do use things that stay in my hair, and I flat iron my hair. I don't know if it says oil in it, how much, you know, my hair just is, I used to have oily hair. My hair is, I don't know what my hair is. Maybe it's still considered oily. I would like to wash my hair every day, but my hairdresser doesn't want me to, so I wash it every other day just to make her happy. And, but yeah, I am not sure that I'll use that. And next we have this, oh, this, whatever it is, it's heavy. This heavy thing here. Let me see where we're at with, okay, this is a brush, I think. Let me see. It's wrapped nicely. Oops. There's a couple more things in there, small things. This is Artis brand, A-R-T-I-S, Artis, with a little accent over that. This is a brush, and it says Elite Collection Oval 3 Brush Mirror Finish. Oh, it's so pretty. So this handle is metal, and then this is maybe like a silicone, this white, easy to grip, easy to handle, and then look at how tight that head is. It's really soft and beautiful. Let's see what it says about it. A professional luxury quality makeup brush features a small oval shaped fiber bundle that helps to ease and enhance the distribution of makeup formulas, including liquid, cream, and powder products. So you can use it for different things. It has a really nice feel to it. The editor says this brush is a little to-do-it-all wonder that's the perfect travel companion. It's so versatile, and it's the only brush that can help me to find the perfect cat eye eyeliner and my Cupid's bow. Its soft, densely packed bristles help create lines of definition where needed for an airbrushed effect. The fibers are made of a trademarked man-made fiber called Cosma fiber. It feels really nice. It feels like natural hair. The Elite Collection handles are produced using a proprietary metal alloy that is similar to what is used in the manufacturing of luxury car engines, making the brush luxury quality from fiber cap to handle and everywhere in between. It is really neat. I love the weight of it, you know, so you can blend your makeup, maybe help with your eyeshadow, your brows, just so many things. It says you can use it for anything. So that is really nice. $45 if I didn't say that. Next I have the Ever Skincare Smooth Peptide Lip Therapy in Petal. This is valued at $26. Let's see. I lose my pages. I should keep them in order. It is, let's see, an ultra nourishing lip treatment that conditions while firming and plumping the lips with a blend of peptides, shea butter, and magnolia oil. It's clinically proven to enhance and leave lips feeling more hydrated and supple. So this is very pretty. It says Ever in like a copper color on there. It visibly plumps my lips without the usual tingling sensation that comes with lip plumpers. I also love that it contains coconut, argan, and camellia oils, as well as shea butter for ultimate hydration and comfort. That is an Associate Beauty editor. It's a gorgeous color. It's a color that I like very much. Just like the rest of our skin, our lips lose collagen as we age, which can result in lips that appear dehydrated and thin. So the peptides in here, let's see, I have something on already, but otherwise I put it on me, but you know I'm gonna, okay, it is, all right, it takes a little bit to get some color out of it. So it's very, like very emollient style. Big puff of fur go by. It smells good. It smells like candy. I like that. So that's very nice. It has a little color to it, not much, but I think if you can pile it on a little bit and it'll get more color if you need a little more color. Very nice. So that is the, now I forgot the name of it, Ever Skincare Smooth Peptide Lip Therapy in Petal. That color is called Petal. And then we have our last thing, which is the brand Dermalogica. Excellent brand, expensive brand. This is $79. This is SPF 50, a 3-in-1 daily moisturizer that visibly hydrates and protects skin with broad spectrum SPF 50. We should always wear SPF, but this is really great for summer. It utilizes a unique polypeptide blend that helps to improve the appearance of photo-aged skin while protecting against free radicals and delivering long-lasting hydration. Plus, its non-greasy formula allows for flawless application. So in this box, there's a little information in there. The top was sealed, so I opened the bottom. It's good through August of 2025, which is very nice. High protection, dynamic skin recovery, SPF 50, and Dermalogica is how you say the name. I have used some of their products before. They're very nice, bougie products. I love that kind of pump. Very nice. Very nice. So that is my box. I also got a magazine. I got the spring. This says spring on it. Spring Beauty Awards for 2023. New Beauty, the 13th annual Beauty Awards. We tested more than 10,000 products, procedures. These are the 399 very best. So that's the magazine. You can get this on the newsstands. I'm gonna beat this child. $12.95 for this magazine. This little girl down here is making quite, she keeps pulling on the ring light. So this is the magazine here. And then we have the Dermalogica, the lippy, the very nice moisturizing lippy, the hair oil, Unite hair oil, the cuticle oil, all good stuff for summertime to keep you moisturized. This fabulous brush. This is the coolest thing. I love it. It just feels so good in my hands. The Dionis moisturizer, the EWC detoxifying mask. Now, if you don't have any ingrown hairs, you can still use this kind of thing, so the acne oil primer, acne and oil primer, the Face Reality Sulfur Spot Treatment, and the Clinisoothe Skin Purifier. So this is a great box. I believe there are 10 things in here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 things. I paid $50 for this because I bought it for $200.60. I bought it by the year, so it's well worth $50. There's a lot of this right here, $70 right there pays for the box. So a lot of great stuff. What's nice about this is there's a lot of things in here that you maybe not have heard of and you can try. I like that. It's nice to try new things. I love to try new things. So I will definitely be using this lippy, and most likely I'll be using this as well. I'm not so sure about this. This I might put on my toes. I wear my press-on nails, so my cuticles stay really good because I push them back. So I don't really need this for my cuticles, but my toes, I can use it for my toes. I haven't had a pedicure in a long time, since COVID, so I really need one, but I've been doing them myself. So a lot of nice products. Like I said, I'll take pictures and put them on Instagram if you'd like to see them close up. And thanks for stopping by to see my test tube beauty box. I think this is a fantastic value. Definitely a fantastic value. It is, all of this came out to $376. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.